Hello friends, welcome to DIY Projects. Today, I want to discuss about 5 most essential materials that are needed to make art and craft projects or simply DIY projects. In my view, these are the materials which every student needs to make school art and craft projects or simply DIY projects. Now, let us see in detail. Hot melting glue. This is the type of glue which is effective, fast and easy to use. You can use other type of glue also like Fevicol or mixing glue. The hot melting glue I am using is of 80 watt. If you are interested in these materials, then links are provided in description. X-Acto knife or simply cutting knife. This is a type of knife that is easy and safe to handle. You can use this knife as a pen and there is almost no chance of cutting your finger. Next is scissor. I think scissor is also a very essential thing for making DIY projects. Metal scale. It is good to have metal scale while making DIY projects. If you use plastic scale, then there might be chances of breaking down. Finally, if you have a cutting mat, then it will increase your accuracy and speed of work. It consists of horizontal and vertical scale that helps to cut paper or cardboard straight. Friends, these are 5 different materials I think which are most essential for making DIY projects. If you think some materials are missing or any queries, then you are most welcome to comment. If you are planning to buy these materials, then links are provided in description that will help to sustain this channel. And friends, if you have not subscribed this channel, then subscribe us for art and craft projects or different school science projects. And don't forget to press the bell icon, it will help to notify you for our next upload. And finally friends, see you at next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.